Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to start exercise 11.2. For 11.1, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here sum number 1. Find the new coordinates of the point 5 minus 3 if the origin is shifted to the point minus 1, 2 axis remaining parallel to the original axis. So here first let the coordinate xy, okay, let the coordinate xy of any point change to capital X capital Y on shifting the origin to the point, okay, on shifting the origin to the point minus 1, 2. Remember that. The new axis remaining parallel to the original axis. So here we get small x equal to, okay, small x equal to capital X plus h. But as here h in negative, so it will be capital X minus 1. And next one, small y equal to capital Y plus k, as here k equal to 2, so it will be plus 2. Okay, and here you have to find out the new coordinate of the point. Which point? New coordinate of the point, that one, 5 minus 3. That means the value of x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 3. So here put down 5, that is here x minus 1. So capital X equal to here 6, and here small y equal to minus 3. So here capital Y plus 2, that means in that case capital Y equal to minus 5. So here the new coordinate will be 6 comma minus 5 as your answer. Now next one, sum number 2. Transform a line. So here the line x plus y minus 1, that equal to 0, to the parallel axis through the point 1 comma 0. So first here again let the coordinate x comma y, that means small x and small y, of any point on the given line change to capital X and capital Y on shifting the origin to the point, this one, 1, 0. Okay, and the new axis remaining parallel to the original axis. So here small x equal to capital X plus 1 and small y equal to capital X, sorry, it's capital Y plus 0. Okay, so now substituting the value of x and y in the given equation, so it will be here capital X plus 1, then here in the place of y it's capital Y plus 0 minus 1, that equal to 0. So here 1 1 cancel out, so your final answer will be here capital X plus capital Y, that equal to 0. It's very easy. Now the third one. So here sum number 3. Find the transform equation of the curve. So here the curve x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, that equal to 0 when the origin is shifted to the point minus 2 and 3. So that means here you can write down small x equal to capital X, and that will be here minus 2, and here small y equal to capital Y, okay, small y equal to capital Y plus 3. Now just replace the value, so it will be here capital X minus 2 whole square, in place of y it will be capital Y plus 3 whole square, then 4 into here capital X minus 2, then minus 6 into capital Y plus 3, that equal to 0. So here capital X square minus 2 into capital X, it will be 4x, sorry, and next it will be 4. Next one here y square, then here 6y, and then here plus 9. Here 4 into capital X minus 8 minus 6y minus 18, that equal to 0. So 4x cancel out, 6y cancel out, that means here capital X square plus y square. Okay, and now next here 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, that is here 13, and here minus 8 and minus 18, it's minus 26, that one equal to 0. So your final answer capital X square capital Y square minus 13, that equal to 0. Now sum number 4. In sum number 4, what does the equation, so here x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square, that one equal to r square, become when the axes are transformed to the parallel axis through the point, that is a minus c comma b. Okay, so that means here x equal to, you can write down x plus a minus c, and y equal to y plus b. So just replace it. So here in that case it will be here x plus a minus c minus a whole square, and here it will be capital Y plus b minus b whole square, that one equal to r square. So b cancel out, here a cancel out. So it will be here x minus c whole square plus capital Y square, that one equal to r square. That is your answer. Now next, sum number 5. In sum number 5, here reduce the equation. Reduce the equation x square plus y square, then plus 8x minus 6y minus 25, that equal to 0, to the form of a capital X square b capital Y square, that equal to k, by shifting the origin to the suitable point. Okay. So for this sum, first let the origin be shifted to the point h comma k. Okay, axis remaining parallel to the original axis always. If the coordinate xy of the point on the given curve change to capital X and Y, then it will be, you know that the formula, x equal to capital X plus h and y equal to here capital Y plus k. Okay, now you have to just substitute the value. So here your value will be here capital X plus h whole square, then here capital Y plus k whole square, then here 8 into capital X plus h, then minus 6 into capital Y plus k, then minus 25, that one equal to 0. So now write down here capital X square, and then here capital Y square, then next one will be here 2 capital XH plus h square, then here 2ky capital Y, and then here k square, then here plus capital X 8h 8x 8h 6y minus 6k minus 25, that equal to 0. Okay, so now here capital X square capital Y square, and as here 2xh, here 8x, so if capital X will be common, it becomes 2h plus 8 into capital X. Next one, here 2ky, here minus 6y. Okay, so if capital Y be common, it becomes 2k minus 6 into capital Y, and then here h square plus k square, then 8h 6k minus 25, that one equal to 0. Okay, now since the given equation is to be reduced to the form of this one, ax square plus by square, that equal to k, that means the coefficient of n and y, okay, the coefficient of x, sorry, not n, the coefficient of x and y are 0. So here the coefficient of x is 2h plus 8 and coefficient of y equal to 2k minus 6. So now you can write down here 2h plus 8, that equal to 0, and also 2k minus 6, that equal to 0. So from that one h equal to minus 4, and from that one k equal to here 3. Okay, so as here h equal to minus 4, k equal to 3, so you can easily find out the value of that portion. Okay, so what will be the value of this one? As here 8 square, so 16, k square 9, then here 8 fours are 32, and minus 6k, so minus 18 minus 25. So 16 plus 9, it becomes 25, so it will be cancelled out, and this one 820 300, it's 50. Okay, so value of that portion equal to minus 50. Okay, so here your answer will be, you can write down this one as here x square plus y square, then minus 50, that one equal to 0. So your final answer will be x square plus y square, that equal to 50. Now sum number 6. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel, because here you will get 2021 ML Agarwal solution. Okay, and this is the one and only channel which provide you 2021 solution. So here in 6, find the point to which the origin should be shifted so that the equation, so here the equation y square plus 4y plus 8x minus 2 that equal to 0 is transformed to the form of y square plus ax that equal to 0. Okay, y square plus ax that equal to 0. So first, again same thing, let the origin be shifted to the point hk and the remaining parallel to the original axis. If the coordinate xy of any point to the given curve change to capital XY, then you know that x equal to x plus h and small y equal to capital Y plus k. Now substituting the value in the given equation, as here y square plus 4y plus 8x minus 2. So you can write down just in this way, y plus k whole square, then here 4 into y plus k, then plus 8 into x plus h minus 2, that one equal to 0. Now again y square plus 2yk plus k square plus 4y plus 4k plus 8x plus 8h minus 2, that one equal to 0. So here y square. Okay, now if y will be common, it becomes 2k plus 4 into capital Y, then here next one plus 8x, then here k square, then 8h plus 4k minus 2, that one equal to 0. Okay, so now you have to transform this equation into y square plus ax equal to 0. So if you transform this equation, then definitely this portion will be 0 and also this one will be 0. Okay, so as here, first write down 2k plus 4, that one equal to 0. From that one you will get here k equal to minus 2, and as here k equal to minus 2, so you can write down this one as minus 2 whole square plus 8h plus 4 into minus 2, then minus 2 equal to 0, and from that it will be here 4, and here 4 minus 2, it's minus 8, then minus 2 plus 8h that equal to 0. So that imply here 4 8 10, it will be minus 6 plus 8h that equal to 0. So here h equal to 6 by 8, that means here 3 by 4. So as here h equal to 3 by 4, k equal to minus 2, so your answer will be here 3 by 4 comma minus 2, that is your answer.